Good morning guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Shout out by the way kay Sir Michael Flores. Sir, this is your unit, the WEM92 Airsoft Pistol Full Metal, made in Taiwan. So it comes with 0.23 grams 4,000 shots, and also the green gas, this is number 12. And may kasama na rin siyang silicone oil. WE brand. This is full metal. WEM92. Okay, so lagyan natin ng oil yung mga valve. Ikot-ikotin natin para mag-absorb yung oil. Okay. Then, ganun din po sa inlet valve. Okay. Tapos, load natin ng gas. Upside down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wala pong singaw yan, sir. Walang hissing sound. Load tayo ng BBs. Okay. So, itong M92 po ay meron po siyang manual safety. Check natin manual safety. Ayan. Okay. So, naka-fix yung sight niya. Ayan, naka-fix yung sight. Front and rear. Naka-fix yan. Ambidextrous manual safety. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan na rin natin ng grease yung slide. So, pag magbabaklas kayo ng slide, make sure walang magazine. Tapos, kasan nyo muna. And then, ito, push nyo. Push nyo yan. Push. Tapos, ito, baba. And release na yung magazine yan. Ay, yung slide. Naglagay tayo ng grease. Ayan. And then after that, babalik na natin slide. Ito, yung pasukan niya, ayan. Pasok nyo lang siya dito. Huwag nyo kakalabitin po yung trigger. Pasok lang. Okay, make sure na intact yung pagpasok, no? Then, sagad sa dulo. Sagad sa dulo, hold. Balik yung lock. Then, release. Ayan. Ganun lang po pagbabaklas. Simple lang. Okay? So, this is full metal. Metal slide. Metal frame. Metal yung grip. Metal yung magazine. Except lang itong sa cover na to. Yung grip cover. This is plastic. Okay? But the rest is metal. Kaya full metal po si Beretta. Okay? So, pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng tracer unit, suppressor, kasi may thread po yan, yung barrel niya. Ang ganda, oh. Okay, so testing. Sir Michael Flores. Testing, sir. Firing. Okay. Open slide. Release the magazine. Pull back the slide. Release. And then hammer down. Okay. Nice one. All goods na po, Sir Michael Flores. Again, this is the WEM92 gas blowback airsoft pistol made in Taiwan. Thank you.